Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A17 to an Android device. Begin by selecting Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then you can select Not Now in the pop-up if you wish to and close it by tapping on OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your OPPO if it's not already on and tap on Receive on an Android. Now you can click on all of your files that you wish to transfer, or click on all of those dots from all of those categories. Then click on Send next to select it. It will take some time, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, click on one of those options, in my case no thanks. Choose Close this window and finally we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon next to input key, then choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, or we can just input this key over here instead and hit Receive button. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!